Hi students, welcome at KitCan Digital Learning. I am your English teacher. Today I am presenting you lecture number 8 and our topic is The Blackbird from your book We Learn English Class 2 published by Oxford University Press. Before starting our today's topic, I would like to advise you a few tips for effective learning and takes maximum benefit from KitCan Digital Learning. Like and subscribe your school channel so you will not miss any video. Carefully listen and watch video from start to end. Find out the answer of the question from the video. You have to watch the video multiple times until you have find the answer. The king was in the counting house counting out his money. किंग जो है वो काउंटिंग हाउस में था और अपना मनी काउंट कर रहा था. द क्वीन वॉज इन द पार्लर ईटिंग ब्रेड एंड हनी. क्वीन जो है वो पार्लर में थी और ब्रेड एंड हनी खा रही थी. द मेड वॉज इन द गार्डन हैंगिंग आउट द क्लॉथ्स. मेड जो है वो गार्डन में थी और वहाँ पर कपड़े फैला रही थी. When down came a blackbird and pecked at her nose. उसी वक्त एक ब्लैकबर्ड नीचे आता है और उसकी नोज़ पे टिक करके चला जाता है. Now you have to answer the question and the question is who was in the garden? Hope you enjoyed and learned basic concept of today's topic. Don't forget to answer the question and write the answer of this question in your summer vacation copy or journal within 24 hours to maintain your summer vacation learning project marks, as total marks of this question will be added in your final term exams based on your reply of all questions. The marks of these questions are 10. Hope to see you in the next topic and learn more new concepts. Thank you. Bye bye.